Make it circle like this first. Okay. Make it circle like this. Yeah, first make it circle like this. Okay, like this. First circle have to do like this, then make the straight line. Okay. After straight line, this is the eyes line, this is the nose line. Very simple first concept you understood. Eyes line, nose line. Okay. Okay. Here I can create the eyes. Here I can create a line like this. Make its eyes like this. This is very simple. And one eyes like this, okay? Make it like this, simple. This is nose. Yes, this is baby Mona. This is baby Mona. Take time. See, eyes, nose, mouth, and eyebrow. Okay. So this is the eyes line. This is the nose line. Here is the eyebrow line. See, one line. In this line, you draw the eyebrow. True. Okay. In this line, the eyes, this nose and mouth. Okay. Take time. First I draw the head and then I give him time. You are finished first head and then you can go ahead. Yes. Yes, beta, tell me. Okay, take line like this. So this is this part is ready. Done, all of you, this part? Very good. You guys are very smart and pretty fast draw. I am so proud of you. So this is a little Mona. Okay. Small, cute little Mona this is. Okay, can make the hair like this. And now after that we can create this theory. So head. So this is a little, yeah. See, this is a character little bit of this way. Head, torso, pelvis. So head is little up, then torso, and then pelvis. Head, torso, pelvis. Okay. So I draw head, then torso, this is torso, and this is pelvis. I draw my pelvis. Okay, first take time, आराम से करो. Okay. do like this. Head, torso, pelvis. Head, torso, pelvis. Head, torso, pelvis. Okay. Okay, I just do this. Okay, here one, from here hand. Okay, like this, from here hand, and for here leg. Okay, this is a for leg. Okay, here the leg, I just draw this. Okay, first make this part aram se. Okay, another hand also here. See here, I can make another hand. Okay, take time. Here, what part not understand, beta? Tell me. Yes, I show you here again. Okay, don't worry. This is supposed to head. This is the head, right? Okay, beta. This is the head. So this is the head. After the head, you just start here from. Okay. Yes, Anubhav. I just see your drawing. Show me. Nah. Yes, it's nice. Good. So good, beta. First make this here. Okay, understood? First make this here. After that you can go little top like this. Okay, make this in top like this. Make this. It is top line. Okay, you have to like this. Okay, and here after this is a face. Face you already done, right? Face you already done. Okay, so now you are making add with this. Here, see, I just make it add here one. You can make like this also. You can make like this also. In down. Okay, but it's basically this is. Here also same thing. You can make the two here. So one here like this. Always do here like this. Okay, this kind of like this. Okay, simple. Try. Maybe not coming one time, first time. It's coming slowly. Okay, you can draw first time character. No, that's why. Okay, beta. Okay. Yes, beta. Understood? Okay. Okay, beta. It is just it's little take time. It's coming. You can use very easy here like this, but it is not the master style. I show exact here, but slowly you improvement. Slowly take time. Okay, it's not come one day. I am also when your age that time I am also not done properly, but after that few days practice, I understand that how to draw. Okay, you will also understand after few days. When you are practice more this kind of drawing I show you. Okay, then you can understand. This is baby MOANA. Okay, awesome movie actually this one. Okay, the MOANA. I seen that picture and you guys are you guys are practice at home. I send the tutorials, color tutorials, so you can color it at home. So you guys no need to color now. You just start your own one sketching, any one, your own drawing. I want to see how much you understand, how you create your own drawing. Okay, can do any drawing like a flower, like a cartoon, like a scenery. Okay, whatever you want, you draw one. your best drawing. Okay. Sorry, beta. I'm using this is called the brush pen. It's a camelin. This is camelin brush pen. Okay, for I'm using. Pen called brush pen. It's called. Yes, beta. It's called a brush pen. Yes, it's a very nice. You can get brush pen from Amazon or everywhere you can buy. It's very nice pen. Okay. We can create how to create simple and nice character. Okay, yeah. Yes. Okay. So if you finish, then can show me. Otherwise, you take time. You have a time. Okay, don't worry. And yes, better. Nice. You can make it. Hi Lalita ma'am, Bishwa, wait 2 minutes. We are almost finished. Hi, I'm almost finished. Just 2 minutes. So I can put this brown color because this MOANA is some tribal case. So this brown and black. I put this. Okay, this is black color. I put the black lightly. Okay, like this. Let's put some flower. Like this. Very simple colors I put only here and there. Okay. And this is color I not put any. I can use otherwise this color. Simple. Okay. So very simple. We can put some shadow over here. Like this. So this is some shadow. Okay, like this. Okay. Thank you so much. All kids can show your. Yeah, I can show you. Yeah. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. Bye. You can show your drawing and after that can buy. Bye.